Hello everyone, today I will show you how to create an event on WhatsApp. At first open WhatsApp and make sure to your WhatsApp is update, and you can easily update your WhatsApp from Play Store or App Store. Now I am already update my WhatsApp, and at first select a group. Okay, this is my group. Click on to plus option and then showing it to event, just click on, write event name, write description and starting time. If you want to add location, and just click on to send, then successfully create an event on WhatsApp. If you want to edit something, so click on to edit. So that's it, that's how you can do it.